You're a different dealer?
Yeah, it's two different deals.
Okay.
Oh, you funny, bro.
The Toyota convertible. Over there. Yep. Do you know if the top leaks or anything?
Oh God, the sun. The sun. Oh my God, the sun. It's unlocked, right?
It's the first one I've test driven, but I like it. It's got a couple little scratches on the body, but it's a nice little car. Air cools off quick. It's clean. I did. Benita wants to see it.
Whew. It's hot. This is nice. It's hot. Oh my God, my skin is burning. It's so hot. Looking at cars again.
Anthony? Yeah. Hi. I'm well. How are you?
Thank you so much for coming in.
Yes, sir. You good? To take your camera?
Yeah, just
Come on, dude. It's right there, dude.
I'll sip the rest of it.
Time is it? It's 4:30.
Okay, I drank most of it. I just need to find a lid.
Free on charge? Okay. And there's no vents in the back either on that one. So, yes it does.